Welcome to the family home of your dreams, located in the woodlands of Grand Blanc. This home boasts a 2-story foyer, sitting room, and formal dining room. There's plenty of space for entertaining with the large fire-lit family room, which opens directly to the kitchen. The extra-large primary bedroom suite has ample space for a sitting area, a huge walk-in closet, and spacious bathroom with a garden tub, double vanities, and a shower. Upstairs also offers 2 bedrooms sharing a Jack and Jill bath. Another large bedroom with a private bath, and the laundry room. The finished basement with egress window boasts a rec room, a full bath, and 2 additional rooms that could be used as bedrooms, a workout area, craft room, or etc. Enjoy this summer in the 3-season room, on the deck, or from the patio, while watching the kids play on your 1.2-acre double lot surrounded by privacy. The HOA also offers a community pool, playground, soccer fields, and more. Call me today for your private showing.